With the floor plan module, I can add a floor plan, I can add a floor plan within a floor plan, and I can make different floor plans visible to different categories. This is effective if I have a private room that I'd like to make visible to only one segment of my attendees. I'll type in my floor plan name, select my PNG file, give it a description, and I can add a logo to the top of this floor plan. Click on Create and Next. Here I can start dropping my pins on this location. So immediately on this screen, my mouse is changing to a pin drop. And when I click on a location on the map, on the right hand side, I can pin this location as one of our sessions. That list of session locations is coming from the registration site. I can select the location and I can select the design of the pin drop right on that location. I'll click on Save and click on Next. I can add directionality across my drops. For example, I may want to indicate going from this room location to a main lounge. Once I add in that directions, it means that joining that path to an existing line will create that new connection path. I'll go ahead and click on Next. This is where I can make this visible to certain categories or all categories, and I can click on Close. I'll go in to edit one of my existing floor plans. I'll go ahead and navigate to the locations. I've added here a general map, and when I click on the locations, some of my other types of locations are a custom location, and I can name that myself and identify it myself with my own text. And I can also create a sub floor plan link here. This would bring me into one of the other maps that I've already added into my actual catalog. I'll go ahead and click on Save. Over here on the preview of my mobile app, I have pinned the floor plan to the bottom right hand part of the menu because I want to give it a little bit more highlight area on the event, and I don't want it to move if I'm changing out my modules throughout my event. I'd like to keep that anchored so it's easily accessible.